Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Smash that like button. I want to thank Rain Eater Wiper Blades for sponsoring this video again. I'll leave a link down in the description that gives you a 5% off code and free shipping so you can order them. And I actually have them on Mustang GT here. Funny story though, my buddy, his son is 18 years old and he bought a 1996 Ford Ranger with a 2.3 liter in it, the 4-cylinder. It's got 8 spark plugs, you know, uh, and it wouldn't start. You just turn the key and it tries to crank, it just spins over. So I went over there yesterday and drank a couple beers, and he said he wanted to pull the injectors out of it. So we did that. You got to take the intake off to do all that. And we were going to do a tune up on it anyway, change the plugs and wires. It's not a fun job at all. There's some tight spots to get into. So we did all that, and we were going to do the timing belt and all that stuff, but then we decided to have a cookout and, you know, just chill because it was getting pretty late. So he goes back out there today, or this morning, because he had some things to do this morning. So he just wanted to look at it one more time, see if it would start. And he sent me a video, and the text said, "It's not supposed to do this, is it?" And I just broke down laughing. He pulled the timing cover, the top of it back, like you can wiggle the belt off the pulley. It jumped time, and I guess the tensioner's bad or whatever. I haven't made it that. We didn't make it that far. But I'll show you the video to that, and I'll leave it in here so you can see it. But no, it's not supposed to do that, to answer your question. That's why it won't start. So you should know that if you spray starting fluid or whatever, brake cleaner into there, and it doesn't fire and crank right up and then shut off, then you have a timing issue or a compression issue. But he went through the whole thing because he wanted to learn how to do it, checking injector pulses and seeing if you got power and ohming out sensors and stuff like that. But it was fun. There was some beer involved in it, but the video was funny. It's only about 7 seconds long, but I'll post that so you guys can see it. Anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you guys. I'll talk to you later.